Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to take a look at how to download the JPG keys to verify the checksums of Ubuntu ISO that is downloaded from the Ubuntu server. So many times it happens is you will want to check the checksum of Ubuntu ISO to know whether the ISO has been compromised or it is corrupted. So in both the cases, either it is corrupted or it has been compromised, you cannot use that ISO. It is not good for the system security. So then how to proceed ahead with the checksum? So first you have to use this command jpg space dash dash key id dash format long dash dash verify sha265 sums.jpg sha265 sums. So here you can see the output given is directory home sami.gnupg is created. Keybox home sami gnupg pubring.kbx is created. So it has created the folders or directories to store the keys. Cannot open the sha256 sums.jpg. There is no such file. We also cannot verify the signatures because the keys are not there. Now you have to download the actual keys. So we tried it for the second time. There was no key available. Now to download the keys, you have to use this command jpg space dash dash key id dash format long dash dash key server. So here earlier we had not used the key server. You have to give the address, that is the hkp key server.ubuntu.com dash dash receive keys. So this recv, that is the receive command keys, and you have to give this there are some I think this is the address, hexadecimal address or something. You have to input this. Now the trust database will be created in the folder. So we have already created the folders .jnupg and the pubring.kbx. So inside this the trustdb will be created. So trustdb will connect with these two folders. Now these two keys are Ubuntu CD image automatic signing key is imported and the Ubuntu automatic signing key, that is CDI image Ubuntu. So two keys have been imported. Total number is processed to imported two keys. Now what you have to do is you have to again now you have to list those keys. So jpg dash dash key id dash format long dash dash list keys with the fingerprint. This is okay. So this is the fingerprint id for the two keys. So this fingerprint is connected with the some developer in Ubuntu. So that is for the authentication purpose. Now you can see this is the RSA algorithm, key fingerprint. So signing image is that, and the email connected with this fingerprint is this. You can see this for the second key. So both have different key fingerprints and both are connected with the CDI image ubuntu.com. So this means that the ISO is authenticated, it is secure, and you can use it to install on your system. It has not been compromised nor it is corrupted, and you can go ahead with the installation. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.